Okay, in this video we're going to discuss how to multiply and divide fractions. Multiplying fractions is super easy. All you do is multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then leave your answer in its simplest form. So 2 4s are 8. Let's just multiply the numerators, you get 8. Then multiply the denominators, 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 8/15. Can you simplify by dividing any number into 8 and 15? No, so you're done. Let's do another one where it's a mixed fraction. If it's a mixed fraction, you must get it into a top heavy first. So 2 1/3 times 1 1/2. 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. So that would be 7/3. 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is 3. And the denominator stays the same. Okay, now we're ready to multiply the tops. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. You could leave it as 21. Oh, we can't leave it as 21/6 because they both divide by 3. So you can either simplify it at this point, or I'm going to change it into a mixed fraction first and then simplify down the fraction part. So 6 goes into 21 3 times, because 6 3s are 18, with 3 left over. The denominator is 6. So 3 and 3 6, which is the same as 3 1/2. If you wanted, you could divide the 21 and the 6 by 3 to get 7/2, and you could just leave your answer as 7/2 if you wanted to. Okay, the third one, we're going to divide. So if it was 3/4 divided by 2/3, the rule for division is we change our second fraction upside down and we put a multiplication sign in. So we do 3/4 multiplied by 3/2. So you have to multiply instead of divide, but you must make sure that you've turned your second fraction upside down. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, so we can leave it as 9/8 or convert it into a mixed fraction. 8 goes into 9 once with 1 left over, 1 1/8. If you've got any mixed fractions, make sure you change them into top heavy fractions first before you start. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little trick with multiplication that will help you simplify down large numbers. This will be our fourth example. Okay, if you notice that the diagonals divide by anything, then divide the diagonals down. So 15 and 20 both divide by 5. So we can score these off and divide by 5. So 5 into 15 goes 3 times, 5 into 20 goes 4 times. Look at the 9 and the 18. Do they divide by anything? Yes, they both divide by 9. So let's score both of those off. 9 divides by 9 once, 18 divides by 9 twice. Now we're just going to multiply the smaller numbers that we have. So 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8, and that made our multiplication a lot simpler. So the answer is 3/8. If you're dividing, you can do that trick, but only once you've flipped the second fraction upside down and put your multiplication sign in. So let's see. So 3/7 divided by 16/21 would be 3/7 times 21/16. Now 21 and 7 both divide by 7. So we're going to score those off. 7 goes into 21 3 times and 7 goes into 7 once. The 3 and the 16 do not divide by anything, so they will stay as a 3 and a 16. 3 3s are 9, 1 16s are 16. And we can't divide in any other number. So that's us fully done that one, and it's fully simplified. So the answer is 9/16.